Are you looking forward to get back recently deleted photos on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application photos or gallery on your device. Once you're inside the gallery, first of all let me delete one picture. Click on the stress icon and then tap on delete photo. Once deleted, now go back to your previous page, scroll all the way down and inside the section of utility, head over to recently deleted. Scan your Face ID. Now it will show you all the photos that has been deleted recently. If you want to restore it, click on it and then tap on recover at the bottom right corner. Once again click on recover photo. There you go, the recently deleted photos has been recovered. If the photo has been deleted from recently deleted as well, then you will not be able to recover the photo. So make sure to recover it before you delete from recently deleted photos. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.